Good morning, everybody. Trust you had a wonderful weekend. The first pair I'm looking at this morning is New Zealand USD, and on the 4 hours time frame, I have identified a key level at 0.68250, which is also a psychological level, and this level has been a level that has held price supported at one point in time and rejected at a couple of times. And as you can see, we see rejections here, we see rejections also at this area. Then we saw a successful breakout and retest during the month of March, which gives us a sign that this is quite a very strong, significant level, which has held price either supported or rejected at one point in time. Now, zooming into the 4 hours time frame, the first thing I have observed is that we actually on an uptrend, and this can be evident with the visual representation of a trend line at the pivot levels. And if we draw the trend line, we can see something like this at this point in time, and this has been consistent since the 30th of January this year. So now, with the trend line identified, what we want to be looking for is a buy opportunity on this pair. So with this trend line, which also shares a confluence with the key level at 0.68250, which is around here, then at this point, we want to be looking for a reversal setup around this area to buy. So with this being said, if we scale down to a much lower time frame, on a 1 hour time frame for instance, we have this kind of setup here. So what we are looking for right now is following the previous impulse leg, which is bearish. As we can see, bearish, we want to look for a reversal set, like I said, around this area. And this reversal setup can be in the form of a double bottom, an inverse head and shoulder, sort of a wedge, whatever it is. We want to look for a reversal pattern that will finally break out of structure to the upside. So this is what we want to be looking for here. And how can we take advantage of a reversal setup if it finally happens? Now, if we look at this this impulse leg has fallen in a uniform way, and we could identify a resistant level on this downtrend. So for a signal to happen, we want to be looking out for a breakout of this resistant trend line, a retest of either the bullish trend line or the key level, after which a confirmation of an uptrend is is identified. So in this regard, this is what I'll be looking for in the course of the new week. However, this being said, a breakdown of key level could send price, a breakdown rejection of key level could send price spiraling down. So we need to be very, very conscious at this point in time where we'll be looking for a significant confirmation of a bullish trend. So in this regard, I have placed a pending order at 0.68584, which will be my entry point, and I'm looking at my take profit target at 0.69800, which is also very significant with the supply zone around this area, and that's around 120 pips thereabout, with a stop loss of around 40 pips. So we need confirmations. I'm looking for breakout. I'll put another pending order here so that okay. So let's see how price action plays out during the course of week, and I shall keep you posted as price action is being monitored. Do have a wonderful day. Cheers.